Now, this is a roof condition survey for insurance renewal. I just wanted to show you the kind of thing that we do. You'll notice that I'm stamping my feet as I go around all the time. I'm trying to feel what's going on underneath the roof. There'll be a lot of vibration going on when I do that, which we call deflection. I'm taking note of all the different scenarios, misdemeanors that I might see. All of this can go in the report to give you a good idea of the condition of the report and how much longer the roof might last, what the upkeep might be in the future. Here I'm just looking at the detailing of the skylight. The skylight's too low. It should be at least 150 millimeters to abide by building regulations. Now, it doesn't mean to say that this is going to fail any insurance renewal. It just means that I've taken note that these things are here, just like this crack, and I will be giving you guidance on maintenance and what to do. I'll look all over the place underneath flashings if I can, anything that I can look at without actually doing any damage to the roof. We're not doing an invasive inspection. Here I've just lifted up the flashing just to have a look at the condition of the venting underneath it. I'm pointing out cracks that can be repaired. All of this will be detailed in the report so that you've got good guidelines of what you need to do in maintenance to keep the upkeep of the roof going, so that you can expect a good lifespan from it. The insurance company is only really interested in knowing that you've actually had an inspection on the roof and you've had advice what to do to make the upkeep of the roof so that it doesn't leak in the future, because obviously what they're trying to do is make sure that they're not going to get any claims for damage that might occur in a later stage. And believe me, we go around to plenty of roofs where there's so much damage on a roof, and it's such a good idea. When I first started doing this kind of thing, we used to go around and maintain things, and unfortunately now a lot of people don't maintain their roofs and they just wait for them to leak, and that is why the insurance company have come up with this way of asking people to have a roof condition survey done before they renew the insurance. So hopefully this has been informative for you. If you need any more information or you want to book a site survey, please get in touch with me.